Every now and again when I'm at a customer's house to install a car seat for them, they will ask me if they can record me installing the seat so that they've got a video to refer back to. And I always think it's quite a good idea to use those videos to put here on YouTube so that everybody else can watch them too. So in this video, I'm installing the Joie iSpin XL in a BMW X7. To start with, you need to pull out the Isopix arms, and you do that by laying the seat on its side, and then you press this button and hold it, and they slide out. They will lock when you're not holding this button. So you press the button and push it in, and then press the button again and slide it out. The seat comes out of the box with the support leg tucked away underneath. So you need to pull that out, and there's a mechanism here that means it won't actually come all the way out until this bit is moved forward. It's spring-loaded, so it will do that by itself. So make sure the leg is folded out, then straighten the seat up and push the Isopix arms into... I may need to open these up actually. I thought they pushed in, but they lift up. So lift up the Isopix covers, and that will vary from car to car. Then push it in, and this indicator that's now red goes green when it's locked into place. Then press this button again and push the seat all the way back to close the gap at the back here where the rebound bar is. So I'll do that one more time. When you first install the seat and you attach the Isopix arms, there'll be a big gap here, and you want that gap to close, and that is done by pressing this button and sliding the base back on its Isopix arms. Then you let go, give it a bit of a wiggle until these buttons pop back out. And then the next step is to extend the support leg down to the floor. There is an indicator on here. There's red there with a cross and a green tick. And this little window here shows red while the leg is not in contact with the floor yet. So you extend it out as far as it can go, press the button on the back, the leg then drops down to the floor, and then you push it down and just lift the seat up slightly till you hear that click that locks it into place. And the indicator has now gone green. So I'm now just going to remove this packaging material. I've already done the one that was on the other side. This just slips off here. And then to turn the seat rear facing, there is a lever here at the bottom with a green button. When you press that lever, the button goes, I can't see if it's red or grey, but it doesn't stay green. Hold that and swivel the seat rear facing. Now I'm just going to bring it back, swivel it to the side, just to show you the recline function, which is down here. There is a lever here. When you squeeze that lever, you can recline the seat or sit it up. This can be done in situ, but I've just turned it sideways to make the lever a bit easier to see. It also has a function that stops you from forward facing too early. So when you turn it forward, it stops here. And if you want to forward face, you need to press this button down here, hold it down, and then the seat will go all the way forward. For this video, I'm going to rear face it, and you do that again by just squeezing the lever. There are two, one on each side. You only need to press one, and it turns all the way like that. This little plastic holds, or plastic bag I should say, this little bag holds the side impact protection thingy, don't know what the word is, and it goes into this slot here at the side of the seat. So you just have to open the plastic bag and pull it out, and then this just clips into here like that. And you only need to put one on the side of the door. So when you turn it the other way, there is another one that you can put on that side, or you can just remove this one and stick it in the hole on the other side. The little girl that my customer is buying this seat for is 18 months old, so she no longer needs the newborn insert. I've already lengthened the harness. I'm now just going to open the buckle, remove the insert. So this is a 3-part Grow With Me insert, which has a headrest for up to 6 months, a body insert for up to about 12 months, and then a wedge up to about 15 months. This little girl's 18 months, so we don't need any of it. And then this car seat also has the option of being used forward facing as a high back booster. I'm a bit pushed for time right now, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I just want to let you know. It rear faces with the harness up to 105. Then you remove the harness, and in most Joie's car seats, and I'm sure this one's no different, you just tuck it away behind here. There are little compartments that the harness folds away into. You obviously extend the headrest, and then the support leg is not used when it's a high back booster. So you'll remember from earlier on, when it first came out of the box, the leg was tucked away underneath the seat. That is how it has to go in high back booster mode. And then you turn it forward facing, and then the adult seatbelt feeds through here and through the green hook at the base of the headrest, and that's how you use it for an older child up to 1.50 meters. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon.